Hi everyone, it's Miss Becky from Miss Becky's Musical Stories, and today we are going to be doing our Fundations with letters G and H. So say it after me. G, game, G. G, game, G. Again. G, game, G. G, game, G. And then H. H, hat, H, hat, H, hat, H, hat. Good. Now we're going to be writing our letter formation for G and then for H. So let's go over our board. We have our skyline, plain line, grass line, worm line. G's a little tricky. We are starting at the plain line. So let me do it first and then we'll do it all together. So start at the plain line, go around to the grass line, up to the plain line, and curve down to the worm line. G, game, G. Okay, so everybody, we're going to start at the plain line, and that's what we're going to say after me. Start at the plain line, around to the grass line, up to the plain line, and down to the worm line. G, game, G. So everybody should have their finger in the air. Start at the plain line, go around to the grass line, up to the plain line, down to the worm line. G, game, G. Okay, so now we're going to be doing two letters. So we're going to go on to H. H, hat. So H starts at the skyline, and then we have all the way down to the grass line. We're not using the worm line for H. Okay, so start at the skyline, down to the grass line, up and around the plain line, and down to the grass line. H, hat. Okay, finger in the air. Start at the skyline, down to the grass line, around the plain line, and down to the grass line. H, hat. Again, start at the skyline, down to the grass line, up and around the plain line, and down to the grass line. H, hat. Good. All right. So I have some things that begin with G and H, and we're going to play a little game, and I'm going to give you hints of things that begin with G and H, and we have to decide, is it a G word or H? So I'm going to start giving you your hints now. This is something you wear on your face. Something that you wear on your face that helps you see better. Some people do. Glasses. 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 Does glasses begin with G, game, G, or H, hat? Glasses. Which one? If you chose G, you were correct. G, game, G. G for glasses. All right? This is something you wear on your head. It sometimes keeps the sun off your face. And any guesses? It is a hat. So let's say hat. Hat. Does hat begin with G, game, G, or H? Hat. That's an easy one. H, hat. Correct. H. Okay, next. Something that you have on your body that is attached to your neck. So let's think, this is our neck. What is attached and above our neck? Head. Head. So, G, game, G, 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 head, or H, hat. H, hat. Okay, the next thing is another thing that is attached to your body, and it's on top of your head. And you brush it. Hair. Hair. Does that begin with G, game, G, or H, hat? When you do letter H, it's easy because you could blow it on your hand, and if it blows on your hand, then it begins with an H. So let's think about it. Hair. Hair begins with H, hat. Okay. This is an instrument that we play, or I play, all the time. It's an instrument and it has strings. And you strum it with your fingers or with a pick. It is a guitar. You said guitar. You were right. Now we have to think. Guitar. Does that begin with H, hat, or G, game, G? Guitar. Guitar. Think about it and say it. Guitar. Guitar begins with G, game, G. Okay, let's think of something else. A sign of love. Something that means love. Something that means love. What would that be? Right here. Heart. Heart. Let's say it. Heart. So, G, game, G, H, hat, heart. Think about it. If you said H, you were right. H, hat, heart. Good. And if you see someone and you're walking by them, what do you say? That you might say hi or hello. So hi and hello. Let's think about what that begins with. G, game, G, hi, H, hat, hi, hello, ha, ha, ha. It begins with, they both begin with H, hat, ha. And this right here. Does anybody know what this is or the title of this book? This is a hen. And the title is The Little Red Hen. And this is actually a clue right here because this word says hen. And the first letter is H. That is a capital H. This is a lowercase h. Okay, good job on your letters G and H. And we will see you next time in Fundations. Bye-bye.